Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have an incredible story for you, one that will inspire you and make you believe in the power of never giving up. Imagine a man who once begged for food on the streets, sleeping under the cold sky, with no hope for tomorrow. But one day, everything changed. This is the story of Jack, a beggar who became a billionaire. Stay with me till the end to witness his amazing journey of struggle, determination, and success. Once upon a time, in the busy city of New York, there was a poor beggar named Jack. Jack was a kind man, but he had no money. He lived on the streets, wearing old clothes and sleeping on a bench in the park. Every day he sat on the sidewalk holding a small cup, asking people for money. Some people gave him coins, but many ignored him. Jack was not always a beggar. Many years ago, he had a family. He lived with his parents and his younger sister, Lily. His father worked in a factory, and his mother was a cook in a small restaurant. They were poor but happy. Jack loved to study, and he dreamed of becoming a businessman. But one day, his father lost his job, and his mother fell sick. They had no money for food or medicine. His father searched for work, but no one hired him. Slowly, their life became harder. Jack had to leave school and work to help his family. But after some years, his parents passed away, and he was left alone with Lily. Jack tried to find a job, but he had no skills. Nobody wanted to hire him. One day, he lost his home because he could not pay the rent. With nowhere to go, Jack and Lily had to sleep on the streets. Life was very difficult. They were hungry most of the time. Jack searched for food in trash cans and begged at restaurants, but people chased him away. He stood outside bakeries, smelling the fresh bread, but unable to buy even a small piece. When it rained, he had no shelter, and in winter the cold wind froze his fingers and toes. He had only a thin blanket to keep himself warm. One winter night, Lily got very sick. Jack begged for money to buy medicine, but it was not enough. He knocked on many doors, asking for help, but people closed their doors in his face. Sadly, Lily did not survive. Jack was heartbroken. He had lost everyone he loved. He felt alone in the big city, with no family, no money, and no hope. He cried for days, blaming himself for not being able to save her. Years passed, and Jack continued begging on the streets. Some days, he ate nothing at all. He saw people living happy lives, wearing good clothes, eating in restaurants, and laughing with their families. He wondered if he would ever get a chance to live like them. He slept with an empty stomach, dreaming of a better life but waking up to the same harsh reality every day. Sometimes he sat alone, watching the busy city, feeling invisible. He felt like a shadow, a person nobody cared about. He thought about giving up many times. He questioned why life was so unfair. At night, he looked up at the stars, asking if there was any hope for him. His body was weak and his mind was tired. He had no reason to believe that tomorrow would be any better than today. One day, an old man named Mr. Anderson stopped in front of him. Mr. Anderson was a rich businessman. He saw Jack sitting on the cold sidewalk shivering. He gave Jack some money and said, "Come to my office tomorrow if you want to change your life." Jack was surprised. No one had spoken to him like that before. The next day, he went to the big office building where Mr. Anderson worked. He was nervous but also excited. Mr. Anderson gave him a small job in his company. Jack had to clean the floors and arrange the files. It was not a big job, but it was the first step. Jack worked hard. He never complained. He always arrived on time and did his work with dedication. Mr. Anderson noticed this and gave him better work. Jack learned how to manage files and help in the office. Slowly, he learned about business. He started reading books about business and finance. He listened carefully to Mr. Anderson and asked questions. Mr. Anderson saw Jack's determination and gave him a chance to work in the sales department. Jack was smart. He understood business quickly. He started selling products and bringing customers to the company. His confidence grew and he earned more money. After a few years, Jack saved enough money to start his own small business. He started selling clothes in a small shop. He worked day and night. His shop became popular because he sold good quality clothes at low prices. With time, Jack's business grew. He opened more shops in different areas. People liked his clothes, and his company became famous. Soon, he started his own clothing brand. Big stores wanted to buy his clothes. His business expanded to different cities. Jack, who once begged for food, was now earning millions. One day, Jack bought a big house. He stood outside and thought about his journey. He remembered his struggles, the nights he slept hungry, the cold winters, and the people who ignored him. Tears filled his eyes. He wished Lily could see him now, but he knew she would be proud of him. Jack did not forget his past. He started helping poor people. He opened shelters for homeless people and gave jobs to those who had no work. He believed that everyone deserves a second chance, just like Mr. Anderson gave him. Jack, the beggar, had become a billionaire. His story became famous. People admired him for his hard work and kindness. He proved that no matter how difficult life is, with hard work and determination, anything is possible. And so, Jack lived a successful and happy life, helping others and inspiring the world. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.